Everybody, welcome back to my channel. We are doing another complexion series number 9, I believe. Number 9. So this one's going to be very minimal for the minimalist out there. This is definitely more of a look where if you're in a hurry, your model or your client has very good skin and you just need to enhance certain features on the face. So we are going to get right into it without any further ado. So number 9, pretty sure it's number 9. All right, let's get into it. All right, so went ahead and already prepped my face with Urban Decay's Quick Fix and then Rebound. Going in with Milk Makeup, their travel size of their Mars Mars holographic highlighter, of course. High points of the face. So this is, I'm definitely gonna do more of a dewy look. So I'm just putting it literally in the spots where I would be properly hydrated, and as you can tell, it definitely has more of a pink. Oh gosh, was it kind of like a pink reflective type of stuff going on? Blend it out. My handy dandy blending brush. And I put it right under the brow bone, just to highlight the brow bone as well. So this is definitely going to give a very nice, natural, subtle highlight under what I'm about to put on top. So just blend that out evenly. I've been liking Milk Cosmetics lately. Some of the stuff has slowly been making their way into my kit. Perfect, there we go. Next, going in with my NYX color dark circle color corrector medium. I definitely need to get a new one. So putting this obviously right in the areas where I want to conceal my darkness a little bit. And I'll probably do a video more on directly how to reduce the appearance of dark circles. Not fully get rid of them, because when you get into regular lighting, work lighting or whatever, and the lighting's coming from above, it's going to cast shadow under the eye, which is going to emphasize your dark circles, which sucks, I know. But here, I have my reflector, so it bounces the light back up to brighten. There we go. So put it in the corner of my eyes and blend it out with my fingertip, just because the warmth from the fingertip will help the product to seep into the skin a little bit more and a little bit more better. Damn it, I forgot to put on primer. So we're doing no primer with this look. And then putting a little bit here. Down the nose. So I'm just using it as a little bit of a brightener going in, just to really blend everything out. And then we are going on to the next step. Alright, there we go. Next, going in with my Hourglass Travel Size Ambient Light in Radiant. So this is a finishing powder. And the difference between a finishing powder and a setting powder is this is going to give you the type of finish you want, where setting is going to set the makeup. So this has a little bit of a more of a luminous finish to it, which I love. So with this, just putting it in the areas where I want to have a luminous finish. And I'm putting it under my eye because it has a little bit of light reflectors in there, which is going to bounce, pretty much when the light hits it, the light's going to bounce back up to brighten. Because I am working way too much lately. So pretty much just putting it where I want that luminous finish. Yeah. Anybody get that reference? No? Alright. So just get to your desired amount And then we are moving on to the next. This has actually lasted me quite some time for a travel size. All right, so next I'm going in with a highlighter, Honest Beauty, there we go, and Dawn Reflection. As you can tell, I've been using this one a lot. And this one definitely gives more of a subtle, natural highlight, which I like. Actually use this highlighter, this one and the luminizing one for a lot of my male models for more of a natural highlight. Just put whatever's left under. There we go. Remember, I have no primer on, which I forgot to do. On to the next. Last but not least, bronzer Inglot, I think 72, I'm pretty sure it's 72. So I'm using this everywhere else to build shape. Or not to build shape, but to cast a shadow, a little bit of a shadow, to bring warmth and to add shape to my face, rather than going in with a full-on foundation. So like I said, this look is more of a minimalist. And you just keep on building and blending. Don't forget the neck. I need a shave so bad. I'm pretty sure it's 72. Pretty positive. So. And then whatever's left on the brush, down the bridge of the nose, just to give a natural shape to the face. So, brings in warmth. You can tell it's already started to bring in that shape. Ooh, there we go. Hi, there you are. All the way to the hairline. I really should start doing before and afters, just so you guys can get a full look of everything. So yeah, there it is. Done and done. And I think I'll start doing more videos of, I'll do one side of how I would do for guys, and then the other side of how I would do more of feminizing the face. So, there we go. That is it. Very, very minimal and simplistic. So that primer I was actually going to use today is the Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer. But I forgot to do that. Let's forget this step. So yeah, just blend it out till your desired amount. And that is it. So I hope you guys learned something new today. My legs are falling asleep. So very, very minimal. I am going to set it. I'm going to set it with NYX Matte Finish today. I want to be a little bit more matte, but yeah, so just a few products of evening out, bringing a little bit more shape to the face, and I'm starting to lose a lot of my color. So this is number 9. This is number 9. I'm pretty sure it's number 9. I think. If not, it'll pop up on the title and stuff like that. So complexion, another one done did, another one for y'all. I hope you guys learned something new with these complexion series, especially with 9 different ways of doing complexion. I do get bored of getting sticking into a routine, so I always like to switch it up with my complexion, do something new, do something different, do something minimal, especially if I'm hairy on a set for a photo shoot and stuff like that. Plus for you guys out there, if you are wanting to get more into professional work, or even just want to learn some new ways to do everyday makeup, this is why I strictly am doing tutorials. I'm not going to be reviewing the products that I use, because these are products that I love. Even if they didn't work out at first, I make them work. I deal with it, I work with it. That's what I do as a professional makeup artist and being on set. So these are the few products that I use to get this look. Very minimal, like I said. And with the highlighter being in certain areas, especially right around the nose, it's going to give more of a dewy, hydrated look, which I need, especially with the fall and winter right now, because my skin is drying out. So, I hope you guys learned something new. If you have any questions, feel free to message me on my Instagram, email me or whatever. And yeah, number 9. I'm saying number 9 because I'm pretty positive this is number 9. So I'll probably go do one more series of complexion, and then after that I will go into doing my male makeup Monday, Urban Decay Hump Day, Becca Thursday, and a Fenty Friday. So those are like pretty much the main 3 core complexion groups that I use for my photography. And I'll just show you tips and tricks of how to use them differently. And yeah, so I hope you guys learned something new. And I gotta go to work. So next week, Tuesday again, will be number 10. And I'll probably revamp all the videos and try to make them more smaller and condensed for you guys. So gosh, so that means 10 weeks. We'll be going on to 10 weeks. Wow. Quite surprised I stuck to this. So, without any further ado, love, happy holidays, happy New Year's coming up, and we'll also get more into eye tutorials too. So, because everybody likes a good eye, so especially with my eyelids being hooded, a lot of people don't know how to work with my type of eyelid. So, without any further ado, check out the links below for my professional website, so you can see how everything looks on photography. Yeah. Also check out my professional Instagram page and my makeup Instagram page. As much as I love to do this stuff, I love to do it more and show you guys tips and tricks and how to get a good flawless complexion. This is actually turned out really nice. Dang. I surprise myself sometimes. That's always good. Bye guys. See you later. Cheese. Yeah, I'm so Asian.